Good afternoon, everyone. Let us start. Remember, we have been learning Chapter 15, Life on the Earth. And today we shall discuss about types of biomes, different types of biomes on the Earth surface. Now let me present my screen. Types of biomes. So what are biomes? Do you remember? What are biomes? Biomes refer to large ecosystems, okay, on the earth. And so there are 5 major types of biomes as we discussed earlier, and again it is also mentioned here. So those 5 types of biomes are forest biome, desert biome, then grassland biome, aquatic biome, and altitudinal biomes. And in table number 15.1, some important features of these biomes are given here. Okay, so this is table number 15.1. Now let us read. So before we read this table, we have a map here. Okay, so this map shows distribution of biomes on the earth. Okay, see here, see the color codes. Yellow color, okay, this light yellow indicates deserts. This green, dark green, tropical rainforest. Then okay, this color, okay, dark yellow represent tundra, then light blue taiga. Okay, and so just see here. So for example, tropical rainforest. Where are tropical rainforests? Tropical rainforest we find here in this area, okay, in Brazil area, then in Africa also, see here, and here also. Okay, so we have this tropical rainforest and so on, and here we have tundra region. Okay, according to the color code, this is the tundra biome region, and this is also tundra biome region. Then here see light blue one, taiga. Okay, taiga, this is here in this area, northern part of this North America, that is in Canada area, and here also we find, okay, taiga area. Okay, so let us proceed. In due course of time it will be referred. So first we have these forest biomes, and so we have these subtypes. Okay, subtypes of forest biome. Number A, tropical forest biome. Then number B, temperate forest biome, and number C, boreal forest biome. And tropical forest biome is subdivided into equatorial and deciduous. Deciduous, you know, do you remember what deciduous forest is? So it is a type of forest in which trees shed their leaves for about 8 weeks in a year. Okay, and so about the distribution of these biomes, okay, just I have already, okay, mentioned you that this tropical rainforest that is the equatorial area is here. Then deciduous, light green one is deciduous. Okay, and here it is also here, and some parts of India also there. Okay, and here also. Then boreal, it refers to taiga. Okay, and next, where are the reasons is given here. So reasons of these forest biomes. Okay, for the equatorial 1A1, okay, for the equatorial forest biomes, here it is located between 10° north and the south. Equatorial forest biome is located between 10° north and the south. Okay, just see here, this is equator. Okay, this is equator, and here this is 10°. Okay, this is 10° north, and here this is 10° south. Okay, so in this area, so between 10° north and the south, we find equatorial this forest biome, and between 10° and 25° north and the south, we have this deciduous forest biome. Okay, beyond this, so here this is 20 and 10. Okay, this is 20 is here, and 25 is somewhere here. Okay, since 30 is here, and so this is 23.5°, and somewhere here we have 25, and here also we have 25. Okay, so in this area, in this region, we find these deciduous forest biomes. Okay, then this about these temperate forest biomes. Where are these biomes located? We have this eastern North America, Northeast Asia, Western and Central Europe. Okay, just you may refer to this map here. Okay, here in this map you will find. So what are the reasons? Say Eastern North America, Northeast Asia, Western and Central Europe. Okay, Eastern North America, see the color code, temperate forest, deciduous forest region, see here this region. Okay, then see here European countries, and these areas, these are the areas. And about the boreal. Okay, see, boreal means, actually the literal meaning of the word boreal is far north. Okay, far north, comprising or throughout far northern region. So literal meaning of the word boreal is north. Okay, so here boreal biome mainly refers to this biome characterized by coniferous forests, that is taiga forest. Okay, see here, see this photograph. Here we have this tropical rainforest. This is a photograph showing temperate forest. Okay, and this is taiga forest, coniferous, see, conical shape like this. Okay, this is tropical savanna, then temperate grassland, then Mediterranean, okay, desert, tundra, and mountains. Okay, so these are different types of biomes. And boreal, so boreal, broad belt of Eurasia, then Northern America, that is part of Siberia, Alaska, Canada, and Scandinavia. Okay, that one, just see this map here. Okay, just I have pointed out these are the reason. Okay, this northern part of Canada, then here this northern part of Eurasia, then Scandinavia, even in this region also, although quotes are not given, it is mentioned. Okay, And see here about the climatic characteristics for the equatorial biome. The temperature condition is ranging between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, evenly distributed throughout the year. And for the deciduous, tropical deciduous for biome, the temperature condition is ranging between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, and the rainfall, average annual rainfalls is around 1000 millimeters. But here in this case the rainfall is seasonal. Okay, and for the these temperate temperate biomes, temperate forest biomes, the temperature condition is ranging between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, rainfall evenly distributed, 750 millimeters to 1500 millimeters, that is 75 centimeters to 150 centimeters, and a well-defined seasons and distinct winter. So in case of temperate forest biome, there is well distinct seasons, and a very distinct winter season is also there. And for the boreal, okay, we have the short, moist, moderately warm summers and a long dry winter. In case of boreal biomes, the summer is very short and winter is very long, and summer moderately warm, okay, winter very low temperature, recording the sometimes 0 or less than 0 also, and precipitation is mostly in the form of snowfall, and ranging between 400 to 1000 millimeters. So this is about climatic characteristics of forest biomes, different subtypes of forest biomes. Next we have the soil condition. For the equatorial biome, we have acidic, poor in nutrients. Acidic actually for the soil, if the pH value is less than 6.5, we call it acidic. Okay. And for the A2, that is for the deciduous for a biome, rich in nutrients. Then for the temperate forest biome, the soil condition is fertile, enriched with decaying litter. Okay, decomposed matter, leaf litters are there, decomposed leaf litters are there. Then for the boreal, the soil is acidic and poor in nutrients, thin soil cover. Because of the cold climatic condition, okay, decomposition, the action of bacteria is very less in this region. And about the this equatorial, tropical, okay, or equatorial forest biome, about the plants and animals, see here, multi-layered canopy, tall and large trees. In case of rainforest, in case of equatorial forest or tropical rainforest, the structure of the forest is multi-layered, having different layers, as you will be seeing here. Okay, see here. So this is a diagram taken out from the class 9 book, you may be remembering. See here, this is this diagram shows the structure of tropical rainforest or tropical evergreen forest. See, you will be seeing different layers. Ground layer 1.5 meter, then we have shrub layer with a height of 5 meter, then young trees layer 20 meters high, canopy layer 40 meters high, immersion layer, okay, reaching the maximum height of 60 meters. So in this way, tropical rainforest, equatorial forest has a multi-layer structure. Then for the deciduous forest, less dense, okay, then trees of medium height. Many varieties coexist. Insect, bats, birds, and mammals are common species in this forest, as well as in the case of equatorial forest. Then for the temperate forest biome, okay, the structure is like this. Moderately dense broadleaf trees with less diversity of plant species. Okay, means there is less types of plant species, less diversity. Then important tree species are oak, beech, maple, etc. Okay, and common and important animals found here in this forest are squirrel, rabbit, then skunks, bird, black bears, and mountain lions. Skunks, okay, this is a type of animal found in this region. So here this photograph shows skunk. Okay, this photograph shows skunk. Then boreal. So important flora and fauna, plants, animals are green conifers like pine, then fir, and the spruce. Actually, it should be fir. Okay. Then woodpeckers, hawk, bears, wolf, deers, hares. Another type of rabbit and bats are common animals in boreal or taiga forest biome. Okay, so these are important characteristics of forest biomes. Are you clear? Do you have questions? Do you want to? Okay. So next we have desert biomes. Okay. Desert biomes here also you can see this map here, the yellow color one. Okay, see here desert. So location is here. Okay, so these are this yellow, and here also. Okay, desert biomes. First let us read. We have 4 subtypes of desert biomes: hot dry desert, then semi-arid desert, then coastal desert, and a cold desert. Okay, so these are the subtypes of desert biomes. Here location is given. For the hot and dry desert we have Sahara, Kalahari, Marustali, and Rubel Khali. Okay, just see here we have another map also. Okay, it is here. Okay, see here, let me see, we have Sahara here. Okay, Sahara, this is hot desert. Rubel Khali is here, it is in Arabian Peninsula. Rubel Khali. Okay, Rubel Khali. Then Kalahari is here. Kalahari is here. Then Atacama is here. Okay, then we have this Marustali, that is third desert. Okay, so this is the location of hot desert. Then for the semi-arid desert we have marginal areas of hot deserts. So areas surrounding hot deserts. Okay, areas surrounding hot deserts. Here areas surrounding the hot deserts. Then Atacama, this is a coastal desert. Okay, Atacama is here. Okay, Atacama is here. And next we have tundra climatic region. Okay, that here Arctic desert, cold desert. Okay, and about temperature conditions. So hot and dry desert temperature is ranging between 20 to 45 degrees Celsius. Then for the semi-desert temperature condition 21 to 38 degrees Celsius. Then for the coastal desert temperature 15 to 35. And for the cold desert, okay, this 2 to 25 degrees Celsius. And the rainfall condition in all the cases is less than 50 millimeter, that is 50 millimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter. Then soil condition rich in nutrients with little or no organic matter. Okay, then about this flora and the fauna, plants and animal life. We have this A to C, that is ABC here. Okay, ABC here. Scanty vegetation, sparse vegetation, thin vegetation, then few large mammals, insects, reptiles, and the birds. And for the cold desert, important animals are rabbits, rats, antelope, then ground squirrels. Antelope actually is a different, it refers to different groups of these deers. Okay, so here this picture shows 7 major types of antelopes. Okay, so these are 7 major types of antelopes. Next we have this grassland biome. Do you want to ask question? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let us proceed and see here. Next we have grassland biome. So for the grassland biomes, first let us read. Here 2 main types of grasslands are there: tropical savanna and temperate steppe. Okay, savanna here means tropical grassland, and another one is the temperate grassland. Okay, and here about tropical savanna locations are given here: large areas of Africa, Australia, South America and India. Then for the steppe, temperate grassland, we have part of Eurasia and North America. So here we have a map here, okay, showing major grassland. See here savanna. Okay, for the savanna, see the color code. Okay, see here. And here this. So this is also this prairie. This is also temperate grassland, and this is also temperate grassland known as steppe. Here in North America it is known as prairie. Okay, in Eurasia it is known as steppe. In Australia, okay, it is known as dawn, and in this Argentina it is known as pampas. Okay, and in South Africa it is known as belt. Okay, and about this okay, let us continue. Okay, so just we have to see this map, and we have to continue. Okay, see, and for the rainfall conditions in tropical savanna, that is tropical grassland. Actually tropical grasslands are very tall and hard, also not suitable for grazing. So here the rainfall condition is a warm hot climate, then rainfall 500 to 1250 millimeters. Okay, large areas of Africa, Australia and South America. This is tropical savanna. Okay, just see here, it is here, actually it is here, and even India also here in this area also, then here in Australia also. Okay, and here also. So here also we find these savanna areas. Okay, in South America. Then for the temperate steppe, hot summers and a cold winter, rainfall condition ranging between 500 to 900 millimeters. About the soil condition, porous with thin layer of humus. Okay, the soil is porous, that means water can be absorbed very easily, and it has a very thin layer of humus, that is organic matter, and thin flocculated soil rich in the bases. Okay, means below it for the temperate. Okay, then about the plants and animals, for the tropical savanna, grasses, okay, then trees and large shrubs, important animals, zebras, buffaloes, leopard, hyenas, elephant, mice, mole, snake, worm, etc. These are common animals of tropical savanna. Okay, then for the temperate steppe, that is temperate grassland, so soft, okay, and short grasses, then occasional trees such as cottonwood, oaks, and willows. Animals are gazelles, then zebras, okay, then rhinoceros, wild horses, lion, varieties of birds, worms, snakes are common animals. Gazelle, actually this is also another type of deer, okay. Just see here, this is a photograph showing gazelle. See the horn, okay, pointed horn. This is gazelle, and this is another photograph showing gazelle. It is known as Thompson gazelle. Okay. Next we have aquatic biome. Okay, we have two types of aquatic biome, that is freshwater biome and marine biome. Okay, freshwater actually refers to these rivers, then lakes and other water bodies. Marine, it refers to the oceanic. Okay, and we have this map showing distribution of aquatic. Okay, see here, these are freshwater. Okay, and this, for example, these are lakes. Okay, here also, and then rivers. I think you'll be seeing these are river. These networks are rivers, and here this is also lake, Great Lakes of North America. Okay, then estuaries. For example, here mouth of the rivers. Okay, then coral reefs. Just see coral reefs you find here. Then abyssal zones. Actually, these are the seafloor plains. Okay, and so this is okay. So for the freshwater biomes, we have lakes, streams, rivers, and the wetlands. And for the marine, that is oceans. Okay, important marine biomes are oceans, then coral reefs, lagoons, and estuaries. Estuaries, you know, this is the mouth of the river where the fresh water directly meets the saline water. Okay, for example here, okay, I think these green colors, okay, green color shows these rivers and the place where if deltas are not formed, okay, in those areas the fresh water of the river directly meets the sea, and that region is known as estuary. Okay, and coral reefs, so these are microscopic, okay, corals are microscopic marine organisms, okay, grown in the shallow waters, but see, it can also form islands. Okay, it can also form islands and different features, and we have some photographs showing coral. See here, this is coral outcrop. Okay, corals are growing here, all these, and here we have another photograph. So this is another photograph showing these coral reefs. And see, when corals are dead, you know, corals secrete calcium carbonate, and that is why sometimes islands and barrier reefs are formed, as in this way. See here, so this is an island formed by corals, by the dead corals. Okay, Heron Island, Great Barrier Reef, Queensland. This is nearby Australia. And likewise, we have Laxadweep Islands formed by corals. Okay. Then about the temperature and rainfall condition, temperatures vary widely with cooler air temperatures and high humidity. And For the soil condition, we have for the freshwater, water, then swamps and marshes, wetlands. Okay, then for the marine, we have water, then tidal, swamps, coastal areas, okay, and the marshes. And for the plants and animals, algal and other aquatic and marine plant communities with varieties of water dwelling animals, okay, fish, then turtles and different other sea animals. Okay, and about the lagoons, okay, see, this photograph shows lagoon. So let me tell you here, actually this area, it is an enclosed area. Okay, so this area is an example of lagoon. So these are the barriers. Okay, these are the barriers, maybe formed by sandbars or by corals, and this is the main island. And since sandbars or corals are enclosing these seawater areas, so this enclosed area is known as lagoon. Okay, so this is an example of lagoon. And here also we have just let me change the color. Okay, here also this is lagoon, and this is also lagoon. Okay, as you see here. And next we have this altitudinal. Okay, altitudinal means related with the mountains, related with height. See here, slopes of high mountain ranges like Himalayas, then Andes and the Rockies. And we may see a map here. Okay, so this map shows the distribution of this mountain biome region. Okay, see here, I think you are seeing here, this is what? This is Rockies mountain, and here this is what? This is Andes mountains, and we have the Himalayan mountains here. Okay, Alps mountains here in the Europe. Okay, Alps mountains also here. And other important, I think you are seeing other important mountain ranges also. Okay, just see the color, just see the purple color, and you will be seeing. And temperate, about the temperature, rainfall condition, temperate and temperature and precipitation vary depending upon the latitudinal zone. Depending upon the latitudes and the height, temperature and amount rainfall differs. Then this about the soil condition, regolith over the slope, over the top of the higher slopes of the mountain you will find regolith. Actually regoliths are this layer. It refers to the surface layer of loose rock or other material resting on a bedrock. See, sometimes you may find, just see here, here this is slope mountain, and here in the upper slope of the mountain you will find rock fragments. Okay, and below it you may find these hard bedrocks, and those loose fragments of rocks are known as regoliths. Okay, and about the this vegetation, okay, deciduous to tundra vegetation varying according to altitude. So according to altitude, see here in this diagram. Okay, here height increases. Okay, and here according to depending on the altitude, the amount of rainfall and the temperature also decreases with height. Okay, and accordingly we find different types of forests on a big mountain like Himalayan mountains. Say for example, here at the foothills between 1000 to 2000 meters above the sea level, the type of forest found here is temperate, wet temperate, evergreen, broadleaf forest, consisting oak and a chestnut. Next we have these temperate forests with conifers like pine, deodar, then silverfish, spruce, cedar. Okay, between 1,500 to 3,000 meters above the sea level, and above it, that is between 3,000 to 3,600 meters above the sea level, we find temperate forests and grasslands. And the important trees here are silverfish, juniper, pine, birches. Then beyond 3,600 meters, we have alpine vegetation consisting silverfish, juniper, pine, birch. Okay, and above this alpine vegetation, you will find scrubs and shrubs, and beyond it, you will find alpine grassland. Okay, and just above the alpine grassland, you will find tundra vegetation, that is mosses and lichens. You will find. And see, this is a photograph showing this tundra vegetation, and here you will find mainly lichens and mosses. Okay, so this is tundra vegetation in the Alaskan mountain. Okay, so in this way, for the biomes on a mountain slope, depending on this height of the area, okay, the temperature and the precipitation varies, and that is why we find different types of forests. So are you clear? Do you have questions?
No, sir.
Okay, then just this is about this savannah, tropical grassland regions. Okay, that map was not clear. Actually, I could not locate properly also, but here you'll find these areas. All these areas shows the location of this savannah, tropical savannah. Here in India also it is given here, and in Southeast Asia also, this savannah. Yes, large areas of Africa, Australia. Okay, large areas of Africa, then Australia, then South America, and India also here. Okay, so this is about biomes, different types of biomes on the earth. Okay, so if you are clear, then let us stop here for today. Thank you very much for joining my class.